Space travel, electric cars, and satellite internet are all things that come to mind when you think of Elon Musk. Musk, on the other hand, has demonstrated he's a master of all trades from our vantage point. Musk and his crew are planning a foray into the realm of mobile phones in the near future, dubbed the Pi phone. We expect the Pi phone to have a similar impact on the mobile phone sector, just like the Tesla automobile did when it first hit the market, and continues to amaze the automobile industry. So join us as we explore the fantastic features of this technological marvel, the Tesla Pi smartphone. Of course, the first thing we could expect to be in a mobile phone produced by Musk Company is satellite internet. Starlink, SpaceX's space-based internet service, has close ties to Tesla, as Elon Musk is the CEO of both. Starlink is the satellite internet service, and as of 2022, there's 2,091 Starlink satellites, and together they form a network referred to as Satellite Internet Constellation, which provides most of the Earth with internet coverage. The good thing about Starlink is it works anywhere on Earth, including deserts and remote locations, and it'll also work on Mars. There's even a chance the Tesla phone will help fund Mars colonization, which has been a company goal since its inception. But the designers would have to figure out how to conceal the bulky antenna that the satellite phones have, while also ensuring good service from such a small device. One theory is that first it would work in places where there's already a Starlink base, like a building, or if it ever happens, a Tesla car equipped with the appropriate antenna. For mobile phone users that find solar charging, well, there's good news for you. Tesla manufactures solar panels and vehicles, so it isn't a far-fetched idea. This means you don't even need a charge to fill up the battery when it's low. You can charge basically anywhere. Vehicle control could be an inevitable feature of the proposed Pi mobile phone. A Tesla app for phones is already available to perform basic car functions like locking and unlocking the car, controlling media playback, climate settings, and summoning the vehicle. This app would almost certainly come pre-installed on the phone if not built into the operating system, for easy access from the lock screen or external buttons. Modern-day phones already use artificial intelligence and powerful cameras to assist in photographing the night sky. When you combine that functionality with SpaceX's extraterrestrial focus, which would inevitably work its way into the phone, you have a device capable of taking excellent photos of astronomical objects. There's more to these cameras as you can do, like fun things, like using one lens to shoot a pic and another to capture a video at the same time. There's another camera on the front of the Tesla Pi phone, but you won't notice it because it's cleverly concealed under the screen. However, it springs into action when you take a selfie or do a video call. One of the biggest features on the Tesla Pi phone is that it will be able to mine cryptocurrency. Musk has previously spoken out about cryptocurrency, so it's not surprising he'd want to include this capability into a phone. While Bitcoin is more popular and Musk is likely to prefer the existing Dogecoin, it's rumored that Tesla's phone will mine a new coin called Mars Coin, a name Musk himself has talked about on his social media platform. Why is this crypto mining essential for the phone? Well, as the phone of the future that's usable on Mars, the Model Pi phone would be able to mine these coins for the citizens of the planet, providing commerce for people that live there permanently. As we know, Elon Musk has a big plan to settle 1 million people on planet Mars. Now, when people live permanently on the red planet, there'll be need for commerce so everyone can earn a living. For this to work reliably, some serious hardware would have to be put in place. The Tesla Pi phone packs powerful internals. It'll have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 or a higher processor, up to 2 terabytes of flash storage, a Super AMOLED display, and a screen around 6.5 inches. The Pi mobile phone is said to have a one-of-a-kind body covering it that enables it to change color. Changes in the environment can have an impact on body color. The photochromic coating that shimmers at different degrees under sunlight makes a pretty cool party trick. The Tesla Pi phone will be waterproof and dust-resistant. Tesla will use the strongest material for the screen to increase toughness and will also be bright so you can use it in direct sunlight. The Pi phone will share its stainless steel body with the Starship spacecraft. The Starship is designed to withstand both hot and freezing temperatures that space has to offer. The 304 stainless steel alloy was initially selected due to strength and durability. Tesla founder Elon Musk has long been known to have a love for sci-fi and pop culture, whether it's taking part in meme reviews, referencing a popularly used smokable substance as a potential stock buyout price, or talking about his love of video games. Most sources would reveal that Musk was inspired by sci-fi titles such as the Foundation series and The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Also under the screen is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. This ultrasonic fingerprint is vital due to the need for the Tesla Model Pi phone to be totally secure. With the Tesla smartphone, you're basically carrying your bank around with you. With a powerful crypto mining phone, Tesla will develop a Tesla Pay payment system on a wallet on your phone. You can store your coins on Pi phone and make payment directly from it. The point of this system is to be unbanked from the crappy legacy banking systems. Among the many ideas Musk has raised over the years, one of the most audacious is his Neuralink, which proposes the possibility of connecting the mind with technology. Neuralink is essentially a live-action Black Mirror episode, and the technology underlying the company's mission is getting closer to reality. It's only natural that Neuralink's capabilities could be incorporated into the Pi mobile phone concept, allowing users to, quote, control a computer or mobile device anywhere you go, as the company explains on its website. Elon Musk said the first human Neuralink product would allow someone with paralysis to use a smartphone with their mind faster than someone using their thumbs. If this phone is real and Tesla holds off on releasing it until implantable brain-machine interfaces are available, we'll have to wait several years longer. A phone with all of the advanced technology described above would cost well over a few $1,000s. Subsequent versions may become less expensive as more people adopt the technology, but we don't expect the first version to be affordable for the majority of people. Assuming the phone is real and starts out relatively simple with only a few of the features, it could likely fall in the range of $800 to $1,200. According to some estimates, this proposed technological device will be released in 2022. On the other hand, the Pi mobile phone will most likely not see the light of day until after 2022, if at all. Given the current state of speculation surrounding the Tesla Pi mobile phone, most estimates point to a release date in 2023. We anticipate an announcement many months before the official release, with pre-orders possibly beginning soon after. However, without a release date to refer to, sorry, we have no idea when pre-orders for the Tesla phone might begin. Do you think the features are impressive enough? Let us know in the comment section below.